to B45. I'm your host, Shara, and today we're going to be making a tropical breeze. Have you ever tasted a tropical breeze before? If so, let me know that down in the comments. So let's get right into it. The first ingredient that I'm going to be using is passion fruit by Torani, because you know a tropical freeze is another Torani recipe. Love that. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is pineapple by Torani. The third ingredient is going to be lemon juice. And then the fourth ingredient is going to be LaCroix sparkling water. All right, so let's just get right into it. Today I'm going to be using a mixing glass to mix our ingredients in, and then I have a tall glass of ice already. So I know that the recipe calls for 8 ounces of the sparkling water. And my mixing glass actually have a measuring part to it. So we're just going to measure out to 8. And then we are going to be using 1 ounce of the lemon juice. And I've noticed with the lemon juice, you got to squeeze a couple of times to get to that ounce. So here's 1 ounce there. And it is doing a lot of fizzing. The next what we're going to pour in is the Torani Pineapple. It's going to be 2 ounces of this. So it'll be 2 of these measurements. So there is 1. Ooh, that smells good already. 2. Last but not least, we are going to use the amazing passion fruit. What is your favorite fruit? Let me know that down in the comments too. I really enjoy a good pineapple. And here is the second one. Woo, that actually fizzed up. I know they said to stir because they want to make sure you get all of this goodness together. So we're just going to stir it like so. Give it a good light stir. I don't know if you all can see that, but it is fizzing at the top a little bit. And now we're just going to pour over ice. Here we go. Boy, does that look good. Sometimes pouring drinks can be a little bit messy, but I come equipped with time. All right, and now this is actually have a little straw on the end, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this and do a taste test. Ooh, this is delicious. I'm gonna do a second taste test because it is really, really good. This tastes like, oh my gosh, this tropical breeze is amazing. It tastes like something you would definitely get from like the islands of Hawaii or Bahamas or Jamaica. This is just so delicious and so tropical and fruity. I'm going to garnish this off with a pineapple. I can't wait for you all to try it. Let me know when you do try it. Let me know that down in the comments. So this is what it looks like. And thanks for watching B45 again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.